Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for EveryDollar zero-based budgeting. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances by allocating every dollar of your income towards a specific expense or savings goal. Zero-based budgeting is a method where you start from scratch and assign every dollar of your income to a particular category, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for. To start, gather all your financial documents, including pay stubs, bills, and bank statements. Next, determine your total monthly income, including all sources of income. Then, identify your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and car payments. These expenses remain the same every month and should be prioritized first. Assign every dollar of your income to a specific category, starting with essential expenses, such as housing, food, and transportation. Then, allocate funds to savings and debt repayment goals. It is essential to prioritize needs over wants, ensuring that you have enough money for essential expenses before allocating funds to discretionary spending. A key concept in zero-based budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards essential expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. This rule provides a guideline for allocating your income, but you can adjust the proportions based on your individual needs and goals. Practical examples of zero-based budgeting include allocating a specific amount for groceries, entertainment, and travel. For instance, if you earn $4,000 per month, you may allocate $1,500 towards housing, $500 towards groceries, and $200 towards entertainment. Best practices for EveryDollar zero-based budgeting include regularly reviewing and updating your budget to ensure it remains accurate and relevant. You should also prioritize emergency savings and debt repayment, as these can have a significant impact on your financial stability. Additionally, avoid impulse purchases and stick to your allocated amounts to ensure that you stay within your budget. In conclusion, EveryDollar zero-based budgeting is a powerful tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By assigning every dollar of your income to a specific category and prioritizing needs over wants, you can ensure that you are making the most of your money and achieving financial stability. Remember to regularly review and update your budget, prioritize emergency savings and debt repayment, and avoid impulse purchases to get the most out of EveryDollar zero-based budgeting.